it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I want to show you, as a demonstrator, we were able to pre-order what's coming in the new catalog. So I got the new catalog in my hand. I've been able to see it for a while online, but I finally got it in my hand. As you may know, I had to go out of town for a bit, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got. Some of the new in colors. You got to see these, you guys. We've got Darling Duckling, Strawberry Slush, Secret Sea, and Timid Tiger. And if you recall, we usually have 5 that come out. So I've got the in colors here as well. But I'm going to show you if I can get this little guy open here. There we go. The markers, they come in the 5-pack 2025 through 2027. And we've got those same colors. Darling Duckling, Timid Tiger, Strawberry Slush, and what was that other one called? Secret Sea. Then we've got this one. Now, for some reason, they were having some issues with the stamp pads and the re-inkers, so we don't have that one. They're not going to put that one out because they would rather not put it out than disappoint. So this one is called Cloud Cover. So you do still get it in everything else except for the inks. So you get it in the marker. You'll get it in any of the 2025, 2027 in color items that don't require those inks. So it will be here in these flat pearls. It'll be in the color paper. You could see it in there. I like to get the what's this called, the variety pack of the in colors first to see them up front, and then I go through and decide, do I need a whole entire little ream, if you will, of the Darling Duckling. So we will see. There is some paper. This is the Botanical Textures, and it's all in black and white and grayscales, as you can see. Let's see what else. And then I decided to get these little guys. They're heavy. They are like 3 or 4 times the size of this, in weight. And these are called Pressed Flower Motifs. So they're very cute. They look kind of Victorian-esque. And then we've got this ribbon here, and it is a white ribbon. What kind, it doesn't say. Yeah, it's a 1/4-inch ribbon. But it's, let's see. Oh, it's a polyester ribbon. So it's kind of cool. I also picked up this stamp set, Sentimental Framing, because I always want something for the inside of the cards, and this is just great. So I am so grateful, can go on the outside, and then to have you in my life on the inside. There are no words to fill the void, but know that I am here. So you can do that like a thinking of you, like a sympathy. I'm happy we've shared them together. So it says, from laughs to tears, I'm happy we shared them together. This one is wishing you all the best. Our friendship is full of memories I treasure the most. You make everything feel all right. Thinking of you, love you. Let's see. You make my day that much brighter, and my love for you that much stronger. Through it all, you've always been there for me. There are no words to fill the void. Oh, and I already said that one. So this one's called Sentimental Framing. Now this is what's weird, is I usually buy the bundle. So I don't know if there are dies that go with it, because I was, like I said, out and about when I ordered this. Then I got this one. This is called Beautiful Gallery. So, I want you guys know I do paper shares. So I am going to put out a paper share, and you will get a quarter of each size of paper, so 6 by 6. So if I would take this sheet here and go boom, boom, you'd get a 6 by 6 portion, and 3 other people would get a 6 by 6 portion. And then for this one, something like this, they're already cut in 6 by 6, but there are 4 pieces each. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll get one of these. So back and the front of all the designer series papers. But I wanted to look at these because they're so pretty. Oh, wrong. Look at that. So it's not a big, huge haul. I wanted to wait till the catalog comes out on May 6th. And at that time, I will go through and show you the catalog. Look at how pretty that is. This is great for scrapbookers, for card makers, for journalers. Look at how pretty that would be in a journal or something like this. Look at that. So nice. This would even be good, like something like that looks kind of like a wallpaper, right? Look how pretty that is. I love this. Somebody who likes to maybe sail or going on an adventure, you can make a card that like this way, or even put a happy birthday and make it a nice manly card. So pretty. Oh, look at that'll be fun. And then look at this one. So that's just screaming to be made into a card. So I am home. I'm spending Easter with my family and the kids. Let me know what you are doing for Easter, and I cannot wait to hear from you. I hope you guys have a great day. If you want to know more about the either doing a paper share, or I will be doing an in color club as well, where you get one of everything. I'll have details at beautyandthestamper.com, and that will be up on the site this weekend. So I hope you guys have an amazing Easter weekend, and happy Easter to you. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Like watching me make something. Then subscribe to my channel.